Cal BHP UK. Strapped to the dyno today we have this very nice Generation 1 S1000R. Has come fitted with some black cat headers and an arrow end can, so it has been fully decatted. Exhaust file's been removed, but we can program that out anyway. Get it run up on the dyno, see what it's doing, and we'll get it tuned up perfectly. The 1000R, what did we manage to do with this bike? This was an early model, so they don't have the same restrictions as the later bikes do. However, even at 100% throttle, there is some power to be had. It goes up from 152 to 158 brake horsepower. Biggest gains are always going to come at partial throttle on these bikes. At 50%, we've had to add quite a lot of fuel between 4.5 and 9,000 RPM. You can see that the big flat spot between 5 and 7,000 RPM has now been eliminated. There's a much smoother power delivery. Biggest gains are always going to come at the smallest throttle openings. At 25%, you can see here that the standard bike really does not do a huge amount. Only revs out to about 6,500 RPM anyway. It doesn't really rev much beyond that, even if you hold the throttle. At 25%, there is a massive drop in power between 3.5 and 5,000 RPM. The power just drops off as soon as you start starting to pull away. Now that is totally eliminated in the map bike now. We've added quite a lot of fuel in that region. That translates to a much smoother and nicer riding experience in town when you're pulling into villages and such like. So overall, we were very happy with what we managed to do with the BMWs. BMWs we do a huge number of. It's rather a staple diet really. These bikes are available on our ECU Flasher, so should you not be local to us, this is a device that you can use to take a route from your bike, send the file to us and receive back a fully modified file written by one of our map writers. Please do hit the like, subscribe and the bell icon. It really does help us out and it keeps you notified of any new projects that we have in the pipeline.